welcome back to my channel. Hi, BusyMami here, Nicole Monfortin.
Hello.
Back at it again. So we obviously did a glam look that Nicole did on me. So hello.
Oh, she looks so beautiful. I can't.
Oh,
so beautiful.
It's amazing. Thanks to her. Glammed me up. So we decided while we're here, I brought Kale into work one day and people were like hesitant at first because they were like, oh, I don't like kale.
Not me though.
No, she likes kale already.
I was like diving.
Yeah, she's like, oh, you made it? I'll try it. And so people were hesitant and I was like, you know what? I started making this kale to make it just like a better way for you to like eat better. It's great like as a side dish. It's great by itself like chips.
Oh, yeah.
I think we snack a lot at work on different things and I feel like if you can snack on kale, why not? Way better.
You can't feel guilty about it.
Yeah,
no
it's
way.
the best way. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do this kale recipe, super easy, super quick. The nice thing about this is that, you know, you can mix it up, add whatever ingredients you want. I stick with the traditional garlic, salt, my house seasoning, I guess you could say, because that's literally what I do is garlic powder, salt, and pepper. That is my house seasoning.
Is that like to everything?
Yeah, so like that's what I put on everything usually. So here's what you're gonna need. You ready for this? Make sure you get your pen and paper, write it down. You need kale. So I used to buy full kale, but one of my friends actually, Jess, told me that she was gonna buy the shredded kale because it was easier. And I was like, oh my gosh, it actually turns out more chippy-like. I like it way better. So Target sells this shredded kale. It's already shredded kale.
It's already shredded.
It sounds weird, yeah. I feel like the word shredded sounds weird, but I don't know. So this says chopped. Chopped kale.
Chopped kale. One or the other.
You know, one or the other, whatever you want to do. So this chopped kale, it's already pre-washed. Honestly, I would probably make like double the batch you would normally be thinking of making because you will eat it all because it is so good.
And it cooks down too.
It does. It cooks down a lot. So we usually make about half a bag for dinner. We're going to make as much as fits in that bowl and then we'll put it on the pan and see how it goes. So you have your chopped kale, which that was probably loud. Then you have garlic powder. I have sea salt, olive oil, black pepper. Parmesan is optional, but I think it adds a nice little flavor that makes it so good.
I'll get to shred.
So we're gonna get Nicole to shred some Parmesan.
Oh my God. Oh wait, it's right. She already showed me and we're learning, remember?
There are ways to use a microplaner.
I'm doing it right.
Yeah,
right?
You're doing it right. That's exactly, this is how you would get some zest in things too.
Yes, oh yeah, like lemon zest.
Lemons, yeah.
Or orange zest.
Yeah, that's what you would use. Nice.
I know this. I got this.
She got this.
I can shred Parmesan.
Yeah.
It's all good.
So while she's doing that, I'm going to add the ingredients to the bowl. So you're going to add, this is pre-washed already, so you don't have to re-wash it. I'm going to add the kale to the bowl. I like how she's looking because she wants to make this. So she's trying to make sure.
I'm truly learning. Like I'm going to have to look back at the video, but like, I'm like eyeballing everything that's happening right now.
So I fit almost the entire bag of kale in here. Then you're gonna add some ingredients. The first thing you're gonna do is add olive oil.
I keep almost laughing.
You could laugh.
Because I feel like I'm gonna end up panting into the mic because of this workout I'm getting right now.
It is a workout. It is a workout.
I just had to get that out in the open. Okay.
It is a workout. So we're gonna start out with 1/3 of a cup. Scratch that. It's gonna be 1/2 of a cup of olive oil first because I want to see how much I really need for this much kale. Go. So I added 1/2 of a cup of olive oil and then I'm gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of granulated garlic powder.
Is this enough Parmesan?
I think we're good.
It's like
on the Parmesan. I'm gonna look over it. It's like the whole thing is Parmesan. She's good. She's good with the Parmesan.
We're good. I learned.
We're good. For the pepper, I just kind of do like 10 shakes probably for this. Remember, pepper has a bite, so it can be a little spicy, so you have to make sure that you like try not to do too much. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of the sea salt for now. Try to, depending on the sea salt, I bought this sea salt. It's like a fine sea salt from an Asian grocery store, and it's actually really good. I like it.
Awesome.
It's like sand. I don't know. It's like, I don't know, makes you happy.
I love salt.
Right?
Oh yeah.
So the best thing about this is kale, you can eat raw. You know what I mean? So like taste it as you go. So you know what?
That's true.
I was right. I do need the whole thing. So we're gonna add the other half. So we're gonna do 1/3 cup of olive oil to start. Again, I usually don't measure this. I usually just kind of like throw it in and mix it. So since this bowl is so full, it's kind of hard to do this, but it just looks so chefy. Keep shaking all the spices and stuff together. All right, so now I'm gonna taste it.
Should I taste it?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay, going in.
It needs a little, it's got a flavor.
So good.
I'm tasting. Now we're gonna throw some Parmesan cheese. So with this, it's whatever you like. Yeah, fresh Parm is the best. And it's actually, this is way less than what you would get if you like actually use like the bag Parmesan.
Yeah.
It weighs a lot more.
Right.
So you're really not putting a lot of Parmesan.
Oh, yum.
But it looks like it coats a lot better.
Oh, so good.
When you do it this way. And so that was probably 1/3 cup of Parmesan, to be honest. But it's Parmesan that you've shredded yourself. So it's actually less than what you normally would see. As you see, Nicole has beautifully shredded said Parmesan. And then I add more at the end. But I think it's good there.
That is so good.
It's good by itself like that. That piece has a lot of garlic on it. So
good.
And then you're gonna put it on a baking sheet. I put parchment paper down just because I think it makes it easier for me for cleanup. But you try to make it so that it's not on top of each other too much. It can be, it just won't be as crispy if it's on top. So sometimes I like a little soggy with a little crispy on top, so I'm okay with it on top of each other. But
oh my god, that looks beautiful.
You make a beautiful little,
looks like a forest. Like it's
beautiful little
so
forest
lush.
of deliciousness.
So it looks like a rainforest. Like,
yeah.
Like it just has this mist, which is the olive oil over the kale. I'm getting weird.
So we just added a little more Parmesan to the top. We're gonna throw this in the oven at 400 for about 10 minutes, and we'll be back to eat it. So that's it.
I can't wait.
Whoop. All right, guys, so the timer just went off. We can smell it. It smells delicious in the air.
Amazing. I can hear it sizzling.
Can't wait to try it. Ooh, we both at the same time. This is so good. All right, gonna go grab it. Let's see what happened. It looks beautiful. It's perfect.
Oh my gosh. So
look at that gorgeous color. All right, ready? We gotta try some.
Is it hot?
Yeah, no, you just gotta pinch it.
Okay.
You're fine. So good.
Dude.
What you want to do, once you take it out and you eat your appropriate amount, we're going to throw some Parm on it. Some extra Parm.
Here.
I'm going to put this plate down. There we go.
I don't know why I was covering it before. Whoops. Okay.
There we go.
There we go. Just all over?
All over. Just a little Parm to give it that extra kick.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Good. And then we just eat some more. And then.
Okay.
Yep. It's delicious.
I don't know how you do it.
I don't know. This is how I make my broccoli too. And my asparagus. Because the same ingredients, it just elevates green veggies
So good.
so much. I think spinach would be good like
I feel
this
like
too.
a lot of times people overthink, like, because broccoli is so plain, kale is so plain.
Yeah.
And people overthink it and end up overdoing it, but it's like,
This is easy.
So good.
And you saw, like, it was easy to do.
So easy.
So easy. So this goes really well with chicken. This goes really well with salmon. This goes really well with really anything. Steak. I actually put it on top of my gumbo the other day. It was so good.
It's delicious.
So
easily can eat this entire pan right now.
I'm pretty sure, I feel like I could, which is
Which
weird.
is why I'm holding back. Holding back.
Eat as much as you want. Eat as much as you want.
Oh, so yummy.
So good. To reheat this, real easy, just throw it in the oven. I know Nicole had a question about that before.
That's the thing is.
Oh, hey, Alexa.
Hey.
Alexa.
Hey, girlfriend.
Stop alarm. You know, she's cool.
I tried making like homemade potato chips or something out of like just potatoes to be healthy about it. And I packaged them like in a Ziploc bag and I took them out the next day and they were soggy as heck, which I would imagine would happen here. But Alejandra had an answer for that and I'm like, oh my God.
So it does get soggy, but you just throw it in the oven for like 5 minutes at like 350 degrees and you'll get the crisp back up. You just gotta watch it just because you don't wanna burn it, but just throw it back in and then it reinvigorates it. She had it the second time around when she had it.
And it was
just as good as the first.
phenomenal. So
also, something else you can do, sometimes what I do is like in the summer, if I want like a fresher taste, I'll add a little bit of lemon juice because it adds like a little citrusy sour. So you can add a little bit of lemon juice to this mix too. You could probably eat this like a salad all on its own with some grilled chicken. Ugh.
Dude,
So good. Anyway, you should try it. Let me know if you try it.
try it at home.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Heck yeah.
Let us know what you think. Play along with the recipe, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, thank you for being
Yay,
here.
love it. Bye,
We're
guys.
just gonna keep eating.
Oh yeah, keep eating.
Okay.